Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss on important current affairs for today. Remember, if on any day video is not available, I will cover the important questions in the next videos. So don't worry that something is missed. As usual, at the end of this video we will revise all the questions once. Let's start. Which multinational company is in the top rank in Forbes list of world's best employer 2020? Right answer is Samsung. Samsung belongs to South Korea. Samsung Electronics has topped the list of world's best employer 2020 by Forbes. This list contains 750 multinational and large corporations which were ranked. Apart from Samsung, other companies in top 5 are Amazon, IBM, Microsoft and LG. And regarding Indian companies, HCL Technologies is the top company in India. It means best employer in India. When I refer to Indian companies, this ranking is only in India. And Samsung is the top company globally. And in banking sector, HDFC Bank is the best employer in India. And regarding public sector units, NTPC Limited is the best employer in India. Also remember another news about Samsung. Recently, Samsung chairman Lee Kun-hee passed away. Next one is Indian origin Vavel Ram Kalawan has been elected as the new president of which country? Answer is Seychelles. Seychelles is a country in East Africa. Recently, Vavel Ram Kalawan of Indian origin became the new president of Seychelles. Ram Kalawan is the priest of Indian origin whose grandfather came from Bihar. Capital of Seychelles is Victoria and currency is Seychelles rupee. Next question is India Post had signed an agreement with which country's postal service for electronic exchange of customs data? Answer is United States. Department of Post and United States Postal Service USPS has signed an agreement for electronic exchange of customs data related to postal shipments exchanged between the two countries. This agreement will enable to transmit and receive electronic data of international postal items prior to their physical arrival at the destination and will enable customs clearance of postal items in advance. The main aim of this agreement is to facilitate ease of exports for small and large exporters through postal channels from different parts of the country. I will remind you on recent news related to India Post. Recently, the Department of Post has launched a scheme for universal coverage of postal schemes in rural areas of the country. Do you remember the name of that scheme? It is 5-star villages. And also recently, government appointed J. Venkatramu as the MD and CEO of India Post Payments Bank. Remember, India Post Payments Bank operates with the Department of Post under Ministry of Communications. Next one is, what is the theme of the World Day for Audio Visual Heritage 2020? Right answer is Your Window to the World. The theme of the World Day for Audio Visual Heritage 2020 is Your Window to the World. This day is observed on 27th October every year. This day was announced by UNESCO in 2005 to raise awareness of the significance and preservation risks of recorded sound and audio visual documents. Full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Also remember, on 28th October, International Animation Day is observed annually to celebrate the art of animation and also recognize the artists, scientists and technicians behind animation. Next one is, government had set up a high-level committee headed by PM Modi to look into commemoration of which birth anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur? Answer is 400th birth anniversary. The central government had set up a high-level committee to commemorate the 400th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur. Remember, his 400th birth anniversary is on 1st April 2021. The committee setup will be headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This committee is a 70-member committee and it will undertake activities like approval of policies, plans, programs, supervision and guiding the commemoration, and also decides dates for detailed programs of celebration. Remember, Guru Tegh Bahadur was the 9th of 10 Gurus of the Sikhs. Next one is, ICICI Bank had shut down its operations in which country recently? Answer is Sri Lanka. Recently, ICICI Bank announced that it had shut down operations in Sri Lanka after getting approval from the Monetary Board of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. The Monetary Board of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka had considered the request made by ICICI Bank and granted approval to close down business operations of the bank in Sri Lanka and cancelled the license issued to it. I will remind you some recent news about ICICI Bank. We discussed this previously as well. I will just remind you once. Recently, ICICI Bank has launched a debit card facility for the customers availing the loan against securities. And another important point is ICICI Bank is the first bank in India to use satellite data to assess the credit worthiness of the farmers. And also recently, ICICI Home Finance has launched a new loan scheme named Apna Ghar Dreams for skilled workers. And also ICICI Bank has started a new product named iStartup 2.0 for the banking needs of startups and entrepreneurs. Another point is virtual property exhibition Home Utsav was also launched by ICICI Bank. And remember one recent news about Sri Lanka. Recently, Slynex maritime naval exercise was held between India and Sri Lanka. Next question is, who won the Portuguese Grand Prix 2020 recently? Answer is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton is the winner of Portuguese Grand Prix 2020. This is his 8th win of the season and 92nd career race victory. By this, he surpassed the record of all-time highest wins of 91 set by Michael Schumacher. I'll remind you some recent Grand Prix winners. Russian Grand Prix 2020 was won by Valtteri Bottas. Italian Grand Prix 2020 was won by Pierre Gasly. Belgian Grand Prix 2020, Tuscan Grand Prix 2020, British Grand Prix 2020, Hungarian Grand Prix 2020 and Eiffel Grand Prix 2020 were won by Lewis Hamilton, and now Portuguese Grand Prix 2020 as well. Next one is, Shashidhar Jagdishan succeeds whom as the new MD and CEO of HDFC Bank? Answer is Aditya Puri. Shashidhar Jagdishan has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of HDFC Bank. He succeeds Aditya Puri. Remember, Aditya Puri had served in HDFC Bank for 25 years. He is the MD and CEO of HDFC Bank since it was established. HDFC Bank was established in 1994, and also he is the longest serving CEO of any private bank in India. Also remember, recently Aditya Puri has been conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award by Euromoney Awards of Excellence 2020. I'll remind you some recent news about HDFC. Recently, Tata Motors has partnered with HDFC Bank for financing of its passenger vehicles, and recently HDFC Bank and Apollo Hospitals have collaborated to launch the Healthy Life program. And another one is HDFC Bank has topped the brand's top 75 most valuable Indian brands 2020 rankings. And also recently HDFC Bank has launched Shaurya KGC card for Indian Armed Forces. Next one is, which Indian film has won the best original score at 14th Asian Film Awards? Answer is Gully Boy. Recently, the 14th Asian Film Awards were announced virtually by the Asian Film Awards Academy. In this, Gully Boy won the Best Original Score Award. Ranveer Singh and Alia Bhatt played the lead roles in this film, and it was directed by Zoya Akhtar and was released in 2019. Also remember, Best Film Award was won by South Korean film Parasite. Next one is, Keshubhai Patel passed away recently. He was the former Chief Minister of which state? Answer is Gujarat. Keshubhai Patel was a former Chief Minister of Gujarat. He served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for a few months in 1995 and then again from March 1998 to October 2001. He was a 6-time member of the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. And do you remember who is the present Chief Minister of Gujarat? Vijay Rupani. Now we'll revise the questions once. Which multinational company is in the top rank in Forbes list of World's Best Employer 2020? Samsung. Indian origin Vavel Ram Kalawan has been elected as the new president of which country? Seychelles. India Post had signed an agreement with which country's postal service for electronic exchange of customs data? United States. What is the theme of World Day for Audio Visual Heritage 2020? Your Window to the World. Government had set up a high-level committee headed by Prime Minister Modi to look into commemoration of which birth anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur, 400th birth anniversary. ICICI Bank had shut down its operations in which country recently? Sri Lanka. Who won the Portuguese Grand Prix 2020 recently? Lewis Hamilton. Sridhar Jagdishan succeeds whom as the new MD and CEO of HDFC Bank? Aditya Puri. Which Indian film has won the best original score at 14th Asian Film Awards? Gully Boy. Keshubhai Patel passed away recently. He was the former Chief Minister of which state? Gujarat. These are the important current affairs for today. Thank you.